Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another meal prep video. We are making some spicy turkey meatball with spinach and cream cheese stuffed chicken and some cabbage with bacon. So we are starting off with our spinach. We're gonna make the chicken first. So I already chopped off my spinach off camera, and I'm going to mix the cream cheese with the spinach. I would recommend you mix the cream cheese first and then add the spinach on top, because it was pretty challenging for me to mix everything. And make sure you mix it thoroughly. There's no big chunks of cream cheese. You want it to be equal amount and evenly distributed. So right now I'm cutting my chicken in half, and then we're going to season our chicken with some cayenne, a spice mix, salt and pepper. We're keeping it pretty basic. And don't do too much with the seasoning on the inside, because you're gonna season on the outside too, so you do not want it to be too salty or too much seasoning. You don't want to ruin it. And then we're going to add our filling, which is the spinach and the cream cheese, and close it up. You can use Q-tip to close the chicken if you're having hard time keeping the stuffing in it. So once you're done with all your chicken, add them to a baking sheet, and you're going to cover it with foil too. I didn't add that to the video. And then you're going to bake it for about 20 minutes covered, and then 10 minutes uncovered. Okay, so let's move on to our cabbage. See what I did there? We're gonna just chop it off. Editing. Anyway, so we're going to cook our bacon. I use 2 strips of regular pork bacon, and then I use about 1 pack of turkey bacon. Turkey bacon is much healthier, so yeah. So we're going to cook our bacon all the way through and remove it from the pan. In the same pan, we're going to saute some garlic. I will add all the measurements and all the ingredients in the description below. And then right after, don't burn the garlic, please. Add in your cabbage. Add a little bit of water because you do not want it to burn. And then make sure you stir it occasionally and cover until it's fully cooked. And once it's cooked, just season it with some salt, pepper, and some chili flakes if you have it, and add your bacon, and that's done. This is the easiest side, and it's amazing. Like, and this is it for the first meal, guys. This is what the chicken looks like right after I move it from the oven, and we're just going to plate everything. Easy. Time for the meatball. We're starting off with our turkey. The turkey is, I use 2 packs, one with 99% lean and 1% fat, and then the other one with 93% lean and 7% fat. And we're going to add 1 pack of panko breadcrumbs, 1 medium finely chopped onion, about half of a cup of green onion, a little bit of sriracha, some salt, some pepper, and 2 beat eggs. Sorry, the video was out of focus. I didn't even realize it. Okay, now use your hands. What else would you use? To incorporate and mix all the ingredients together. Don't smash anything. Don't smash it. Just Make sure it's evenly distributed and evenly incorporated, and then form meatballs with them. So this is what they're supposed to look like. In a pan, we're going to add a little bit of oil, then we're going to sear them on all sides. You can make them bigger or smaller, it depends on your preference. Okay, so once you're done searing them, just remove them, put them on the baking tray, and bake them for 450 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. So my camera was about to die, so I did not make the sriracha sauce on camera. So it's basically sriracha sauce, a little bit of honey, some ketchup, some garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper to add to the spiciness, and that's it. And then I just like glaze the donut in them. Not the donut. Not the donut. The meatballs in them. And that's it really. I will insert all the ingredients in the description so you won't miss anything. And then I just top the food with some green onions, and that's it. I totally cheated. I got some instant brown rice from my local grocery store, and I made some. I didn't make it, I just opened some organic canned beans and corn.